How to transfer WhatsApp messages from old Android to new Android phone. So first of all, on your primary device or primary phone or the old phone, you just have to open WhatsApp. Make sure your WhatsApp application is up to date and then select the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. And on this drop down menu box, select settings. Once you get access to the settings page, you have to scroll all the way down and then select chats. On this page, you have to scroll and at the bottom, you will see transfer chats option, open it. And then you need to transfer chat history to Android phone. Simply select start bottom and then here is some instruction given. You just have to download WhatsApp on your new phone and register with the same phone number. And you need to use this phone to scan the QR code shown on your new phone. So on your secondary phone or the new phone, and once you download and verify your phone number of the old phone number or the old Android device phone number, then you will get access to transfer chat history from old phone based on your new phone. And then after that, you need to select the continue button. Once you select the continue button, you will get the QR code. So with the help of your old Android device, you need to scan this new phone's QR code of this screen. And then once you do it, you'll get invitation to connect with your old Android device. So you have to accept the invitation on your new Android device. And after waiting for a while, the transfer will be completed. So in this way, you can easily transfer WhatsApp messages from old Android to new Android or WhatsApp data from old Android to new Android. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share and comment. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe and press the notification bell so that you won't miss any updates from the channel. Now without any further ado, let's dive into the. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.